Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away with me.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today is Tuesday. Don't mind the mess. I had to reinstall this week the one I did a review on, not a review, but like an install on TikTok, because they asked me to just do an install and one install video and one styling video. So I did this hair last week, Tuesday I think, and I took it off on Friday if I'm correct. So I just had to reinstall it so I can finish shooting the campaign, because the weather hasn't been so great and one of my scenes is at the beach. So today the weather permits, so we're gonna go to the beach and just film the last part of my campaign footage. Yeah, just need to comb my hair. We just had load shedding. I had to rush to install this hair because load shedding. Honey said, baby, you have 30 minutes to finish doing this hair. So when I come back, I will do the styling video. I think I'll do a ponytail or something simple, because I haven't, the curling wand I had before we moved, the time we were moving, I think I threw it away. I don't know, because I can't find it anyway. So I need to buy a curling wand. So for now, I'll just do a style that doesn't need any curls, but I would have preferred to do curls on this hair, but okay, it is what it is. And I need to cut this lace here. I think there's just too much lace here. I need to cut some of this lace over here, just this area. And then yeah, I'm not sure if I want to pluck it, but I think I need to pluck it. It's not giving. Yeah, I'll probably pluck it the next time I install it. But yeah, it's so hot, guys, in Durban. It's so hot. So we're just gonna do that, and yeah. That's it. So I'm not sure if I should take you guys with me to the beach. We'll see, because I'm gonna use my phone to film, and I think I'll take the camera to continue vlogging. I'll take the camera to continue vlogging. Speaking about vlogs, my heart sank. You know, I'm the type of person where ngiyathanda ukuba nento entsha, like engaziwa or engadumile. I'm just like that. And once it duma, I'm like, nah. So a few days ago, K-Arms posted the camera I want, and I was like, no. And you know, influencer K-Arms, now everyone's gonna want the camera, everyone is gonna buy the camera. I'm like, no. Bored, Gasan. Bored. But we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Because I saw at iStore they have the, what do they call it? Is it the content? No, the creator kit. They have the creator kit, because that's what I wanted. I didn't want the pockets only. I just want the whole thing. And it's 17,000. 16,999 at iStore. And if you just buy the pocket alone, it's 14,000. So I wish I had someone in the US, because I'll just buy it there because it's cheaper that side. That side is like 9K, 9,000, 10,000 for the pocket, and it's like 12,000 for the kit. So yeah, it is what it is. It sucks. It sucks. Mina ngithanda guys into edumile. Yo, angithandi into edumbile. Just like Galaxy Boy, I was probably one of the first few people obabathenga Galaxy Boy before Udume. And now that Udumile, I hardly buy anything from them. I think the only thing I purchased recently was the shoes. But after that, no. Because every Tom, Dick and Harry is wearing Galaxy Boy. Ngithanda it is unique. Like, it engagcwele. Like, angazi ngachaza kanjani. Yabo once into yagcwala, no. No, because usuyahamba nangu miko. Usuyahamba naye. Naye. No. No. Yeah, guys. I was bummed about the camera, but okay. It is what it is. It is what it is. We'll see, because I don't even know when I'm gonna get it. Imali masehlangene then sobona. Because I'm still selling my camera. I'm still selling my M6. So yeah, let me go get dressed. Let me go get dressed and head to the beach. Because you guys, I've been so lazy. Anyway, this campaign, it doesn't have like a specific date. I think that's what stresses me. It doesn't have a specific date. Because the Evoke one, you knew you had to submit by this day. It just says mid-November and December. So I'm like, okay, when I was submitting, when I was going live, it's fully caught. But I said, let me just do the content, do the video, submit it. If there's any changes, get it over and done with before the holidays. And next week, I'm just waiting for my glasses from VLOGMA. They sent me an email. Oh my gosh, those people are so difficult. I honestly thought maybe VLOGMA would be one of the easiest people to work with, but no. You can't be expecting me to do... Well, you can't expect also when you benefit more than I am. This is a partnership. We must both benefit equally. I also want to benefit like telling me I need to choose because of two and then you choose the other two for me. No, you don't know what is the people because in fanelayo. On top of that, I wear prescription glasses. I'm feeling in Goy's book. I wear prescription glasses. So, but only one pair will be prescribed. And then there's the ends and then no. I don't think there's a sevens in about again. I don't know. No. Because Ulen Smart wear top tier. Laba. Wafuna nje ukuthi benefit bona kuphela. So I'm like, no. Bafana with this other hair vendor that approached me. I gave them a rate, Yami. They asked for a discount, and I'm like, okay, it's fine. I'll give you a discount because you wanna send me Nwelezinde and whatnot. And then after getting a discount, you're telling me I need to do a video. I have 3 or 4. I'm like, no, you're not paying the full price. And on top of that, you want me to do 3 videos. The price I'm giving you is for 1 video and link in bio. When I open my video, 4. Go pay with discounting. ngathi nje no thank you anginozama abanye hayi mina nje I don't take that partnership, that collaboration ngathi nje no thank you right. You can keep your hair. So yeah, let me go guys, let me quickly get ready so I can get this day started. Avec shisa guys, like say avec shisa. And the reason I had to remove this wig even last week was the heat in the lecture sangayo. I couldn't. Namhlanje it's 35, I think 35 degrees. Kuyashisa. I'm sure by tomorrow after I'm done styling this wig I keep a 40 because nje right. I'm finenge kushisa. That's why I had to do cornrows. Get right. So yeah. Look, but the maisa keza. Ima esageza guys. Ima esageza lapho ngithina sengiyaqoka siyahamba. Ima esageza. Ngiyaweza umanzi eshaweni ima esageza. Yeah. Angikwazi ukuxoxa, ngithanda ukuxoxa kakhulu, so let me go. Niyawezwa? Let me go guys. Let me go. Vele angikwazi ngisho ayina nje izobe ishwabele ingobo into ongayazi ngathi idliwe inkomo. Yeah guys, let me go. Bye bye. I'll talk to you guys later and we'll see as the vlog progresses if I'll take you guys to the beach, but hopefully I will. So ngizonshaye yazi ngizonshaye ngenza iphutha ukuthi the time I was installing ngivele ngayiphakamisa just to try, and did I pull it back? I think I pulled it back. Now wait ma manje iyaphakama. Jesus Christ. Dengizoyithini ke le. Guys, kuyashisa. Kuyancibilika. My skin is getting so much better. So much better. Let me get a band and just ngiyibambe phansi le nto, hopefully izohlala. But yeah guys, my skin is skinning. Just stand here by the door to show umoya kancane. No, I need to bleach. I need to bleach the knots. It's not giving. Oh, I'm totally lace tint. Yeah, maybe I must get a lace tint. Yo guys, that's it. I'm so tired. My husband hates this thing so much. I've had this since 2012. It's 11 years old. I support NC, but yeah. Guys, my skin looks so much better. And I'm gonna go on my periods soon, so I'm gonna start breaking out in a few days. Let me go and bye guys.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we locked up.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me.
They down in the south. They didn't think that we were oh, yes, we did.
Ako ka, mga siyam gaya kumbulan din daw.
Just drop the car.
Ha? Even in Kumbusi, you can a pep, Nigeria. Yeah, wena. Kuwazuzowa, ebaxhaphozini. Yeah, uhambani. Uhambani. Yo, igama ngilishiye emotweni ke. Ifridge sibheke eceleni. Kuningi o. Kuningi o. Sizahamba. Uzoba muhle ne? This is so cool. They're gonna put up a statue of Ushaka, King Shaka.
No problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you.
What's the 699? Martha, say hi.
Say hi to me.
What is it, Martha? What is it? Nkomo. Nkomo. It's Nkomo.
She doesn't know.
Woo. Such a deal, guys. Such a sabalek. Na mina nje always doing casting on my vlogs man sas kulenza.
Hayi kodwa namhlanje
Hayi. Bese imali vela ayinkingi. Yeah. So we're going home now. Shasha sabalek. We couldn't do all the fake hugs and the fake smiles and the fakery of it all.
Hey, you know.
We couldn't do it anymore. So we're going home now. Me.
And don't forget the parking ticket. Yes. So where we parked?
You're dividing me.
Sergeant.
When do you want to spaghetti off?
Where those ladies going? I know. Our money is pelile. Thank you. Clearly mine. Yes,
Right here. Thank you. Bye.
So excited. Bye.
Ila nje zamavibu ibe namanka ekamera yami. Ubuyifera nje ongalazi.
I never wanted to be the state's custodian.
Yo guys, I'm so tired. My fringe is not fringing anymore. That's how tired I am. My friend just dropped me off at home. I just got home. We had a meeting at the airport. Not really a meeting. We just had documents to sign for work, or my ex-work. We had documents to sign and whatnot. For those who don't know, I used to work for Comair, which operated Kulula and British Airways locally. So yeah, umsebenzi waphela nje overnight. So the process of the whole thing isenzeka, and we had some documents to sign and whatnot. It was good seeing my ex-colleagues, well, some of them. It was good seeing them, just that, you know, how imsebenzi are. Mansebenza nabantu abaningi abahlukile with different personalities and whatnot. Yeah. One thing about me, I get drained quickly. I don't like being around negative energy, and I can sense when someone is being fake. And ayo guys, I couldn't. I couldn't. It was just too much. I was happy to see some of the people, and I wasn't happy to see some. Not that I wasn't happy. I just didn't care. I didn't care for them. But okay, it is what it is. Let me go in. I have a video to film. I need to do a styling video for the Hamosa hair that I was installing on TikTok. They need me to do a second video where I'm styling the wig, so I just need to do that, install it and style the wig. And actually, I'm not sure. I have a couple of videos in Milan was shoot today, but because of time and in Katele, I'm not sure if I'll be able to do that, but I'll try my best to film as many videos as I can. Namhlanje and Kusasa, and yeah. Let me go inside, guys, and eat. I'm gonna go the whole day. I'm gonna go the whole day, and I'm hungry. I'm coming another week. Got the people on more. So yeah, let me go inside and see my babas. If they're good or not. I think the little baba is sleeping. What happened? Sorry. How are you, mama? Sorry, baby.
Presenting Pasha.
Hey dolls. Hi my love. So it's so late. What's the time? 21:47. I said let me do this install right now because tomorrow I need to film a hair video styling it. So I said let me. And then what's your problem? Yes, the filming name gun stuff. So yeah, I said let me do this install now. Magic soap.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't it. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pin Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Oh, girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You're scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from my you, I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grow when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be you everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying?
can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody who body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller, girl, I'm on this thing.
Where's my phone? So guys, it's 30 minutes past 11. I just said let me do this install quickly tonight so that it's going to be easier for me tomorrow to style the hair, to do the video that I need to do, styling it. So I said let me just install it tonight and make things easier for myself. But I'll just keep like this. I'll put the powder tomorrow and the what do you call this, the spritz. I'll put the powder and the spritz tomorrow because it's late and I need to sleep.
Yeah. Can't sleep.
Good night, my dolls.
Good night. Peace. Peace.
Good night, guys.
Come and fly away.